Okay, so in our layout view, we have loaded in our first map. We want to put our second one here. So go back to our map, and I'll note that I made bookmarks of these three different data variables here. And so then I go to my layout, go to insert map frame. I'll enter my second one, which is the food access. Put in this box. Activate this. I'll set this at the same scale as my previous one, which was 1 to 42 million. And it comes in yellow, even though my intention was for it to come in blue. So I go in here and I turn yellow off, turn blue on, and I realize my mistake, right? These two are all linked because they're all three of this data is in the same map frame, right? So what I need to do is transfer these to new maps. When I insert new map frames into my layout view, they're all separate. They're not all pulling on the same data, which is from this one map frame here, right? A common mistake, so one that I wanted to go through of how to fix this. So what we want to have three separate maps, each with our health data, the yellow visualization, the blue visualization, the pink visualization, in three separate map frames. So I'm going to go to my background. I want to make sure I carry my background to all three as well. I'll just hold Control, and I'll just drag it up here. Oops, don't want to do that. Just the background. Hold Control. Drag it here. It's just pasting that background layer. Do it again. So now I have my yellow data visualization on a black background. I have my blue data visualization on a black background, and I have my pink on a black background. So now all I have to do is go to Insert, New Map. Go here. Let's just keep the yellow locked in this frame. We'll grab the blue and the background. I'll just drag it over to map 3 opens, drop it in. Right, and now I've taken the blue health data and the background, and I've transferred it from here, or just copied it from here and placed it in here. Now all I have to do is properties, go to my USA contiguous Albert equal area conic, add that, remove these, and now I have my map. So now I can go back to my layout. I can just go ahead and delete this map frame. I don't need that one. I want my original to be this yellow. Okay. Good, good. Now I can insert a new map frame, and not adding these bookmarks that I made of the same, but going down here to map 3. Put it in place. And now I can have the two different data variables in two different map frames, and they're not linked to each other anymore. Change my scale here. Center it so it lines up exactly. Easy way to do that. You can go to Add Guide. Let's put it exactly where that one is. Exactly where that one is. And now that looks pretty good. Right, pretty much perfectly aligned. Go to my map frame. Turn that off. And now I have my two different data sets here, and now I'm just going to have to repeat the same thing to get this pink data visualization over into my next map. So a common mistake that I made, intentionally in this case, to show you how to fix it, but oftentimes, right, we'll have a project, we'll decide to expand the scope of that project while we're in it, forget that we're in a singular map frame, get to our layout section, try to add multiple things, and we find out they're all linked. So the process of unlinking those or creating new map frames to put the different data in is key to getting this layout to look the way you want it to. All right.